Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this platform called CyberGhost. So we're going to review the key features, the pros and cons, and the price plan to help you decide if this platform is one of the best platform for you to use in 2025. So let's get started. CyberGhost is like a secret shield for your computer, your phone, and your tablet when you're online. It's an app that helps you stay safe and private. Imagine it as a disguise that hides all your real location and what you are doing online. This is helpful when you are using a public Wi-Fi like at a coffee shop or an airport because it stops others from spying on you. CyberGhost has a huge server network all over the world. This means you can connect to the internet from a lot of different places even if you are not actually there. It's a great for watching some or videos unavailable in your country. Plus, you can use it as many devices including your phone, computer, Android TV, and even Apple TV. So think of CyberGhost as your key to private internet access. It keeps your online activity secret and protects your personal information. So talking about the key features about this platform, it comes with a wide range of key features. CyberGhost has some really remarkable features that make it stand out from another VPN. So these features make it easy to use and give you a more control over your online experience. So talking about one of these best features, it comes with a live streaming spot together with a fast streaming and a gaming option where you can simply game some high reputable games like COD, Pitbull, and other game like that. It also have come with a dedicated IP, then a no logs VPN. So that's it. So together with all these VPN, all these features together, it helps you work effectively, makes this VPN work powerful on your devices. So talking about the pricing plan, they have different plan. They have a monthly plan, they have a 6-month plan, and a 2 years plan, which come between $12 to $99, which is for the first month. Then the 6-month plan, which is between $6.99 per 6 months. Then the year plan, which is about $2.03 per month, which can vary sometimes. Now talking about the pros and cons, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making any decision on choosing a VPN. So I'm going to review the pros and cons of this platform for you to make an informed decision. So talking about the pro, which is the advantages about this platform, it comes with a huge server network together with a strong encryption and its fast speed together with easy to use app. It also work with Netflix and also come with a good for torrenting and a strict no log policy. Now talking about the downside, it can be slower than some competitors. Dedicated IP address cost extra and it could be better for advanced users and based on Romania and some past security has issues. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform called. Thanks.